presidents of the 25 municipalities and 2 cities of this province. Heading off with Honorable Abbas Samson from the municipality of Sibuco. From the municipality of Mutya, Honorable Rodelo Taludo. From the municipality of Sirawai, Honorable Norman Wahid.
Sirawai na apa, kalayo-kayo.
From the municipality of Baligyan, Honorable Brian Latosa. From the municipality of Palawit, Honorable Anthony Molina. The municipality of Labason, Honorable Annalisa Josue. From the municipality of Tampilisan, Honorable Victorina Tose. The Liga President of the municipality of Godod, Honorable Jonabel Grace Berula. From the municipality of Jose Dolman, Honorable Daniel Isula Sr. From the municipality of Siayan, Honorable Maria Gina Atay. From the municipality of Sergio Osmeña, Honorable Wilbert Fuego Sr. The Liga President from the municipality of Sindagan, Honorable Neil Albert Hamora. From the municipality of Rojas, my town, Honorable Roland Narzabal. From the municipality of Manukan, Honorable Roby Earl Villery.
Tanong na pa kayo na o. Ready set? Tanong kayo.
The Liga President of Bacolod City, Honorable Irvin A. Banga. From the municipality of La Libertad, Honorable Aurelio Augulan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Liga President and the Board of Directors from Leon B. Postigo, Honorable Roger Sevilla. Municipality of Sibutan, Honorable Judy Tamparo. From the municipality of Salo, Honorable Lolita Dagomo. Liga President, Board of Directors from the municipality of Gultalak, Honorable Aljon Garzon. From the municipality of Pinian, Honorable Ignacio Galan. Honorable Leopoldo Ata. Ladies and gentlemen, the Provincial Liga Auditor from the Municipality of Rizal, Honorable Rodilito Sueño. Our newly elected Provincial Liga Treasurer from the Municipality of Katipunan, Honorable Bill Igia. Our Provincial Liga Secretary, Honorable Khan Muhammad Ismaili from the Municipality of Siogon.
Katawag sa medalo.
The Provincial Liga Vice President from the Municipality of Liloy, Honorable Ani Galio. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the newly elected Provincial Liga President of the Province of Zamboanga del Norte, representing the City of Dapitan, Honorable Susmita R. Alosos. And joining this year's Liga Convention, board member from the 3rd District of Zamboanga del Norte, Honorable Franco Angelo Buctuan. The Provincial Vice Governor of Zamboanga del Norte, Honorable Julian Napikin. And ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the Provincial EILG Director of the Province of Zamboanga del Norte, Mr. Oliver B. Ambul.
Nagkabot mga idol.
We would also like to acknowledge James Yunter Dankala, the SK Federation President of the Province of Zamboanga del Norte. And now, to officially begin our program this afternoon, requesting everyone to please stand for the divine intervention and please do remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. This to be performed by the Masala Choir.
Bayang magiliw, pero sa silatanan, alam ng puso sa ikito'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, ilan ng pag-ibig, sa panlulupi, di ka pasisingin. Sa nagpagpunok sa simoy at sa langit ang naman, ang ilatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang watawat ko'y katumpay na nagbibinig, ang bituin at tarot ang kailang pabay di mag-ibig. Lupa ng araw na ang ating pagsikat, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang iligaya na may matapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Please remain standing for the singing of Zamboanga del Norte hymn. Please be seated, everyone. This afternoon, we would like also to acknowledge our provincial administrator, Mr. Wilbur Jukjuk Magallanes. In line of the service of being an elected officials, you must have a heart to serve your constituents in any ways and any means. I've been a barangay councilor also for 12 years, from 2010 to 2022. And right now, I am one of the Sangguniang Bayan member of the municipality of President Manuel A. Rojas. It is my privilege to introduce myself. I am a former DJ of 88.9 DXFL-FM, your first love radio station developed in the inter-province of Zamboanga del Norte. And it's my pleasure, and I'm glad to be here with you again, this yearly gathering of the Liga Convention. And I've been hosting this Liga Convention since 2016. I've been with you. And I would like to say congratulations to the newly elected officials. Please stand up para sa mga newly elected officials last year. Newly elected officials, please stand up. Barangay captains, councilor, SKs. Newly elected. Please all stand. And also we have newly sets of Liga President. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. And I would like also to commend and congratulate our re-elected barangay officials. Tayo po kayong lahat. Please all stand. Wow! Congratulations! Kasi ibig sabihin yan, napakabuti ninyo. Dahil hindi kayo natalo for the last year's election. Yan lang po ang measurement po natin. So once again guys, welcome to the 2024 Liga Convention. And now, to officially welcome us all this afternoon as we held this opening program, I would like to give this floor to our very own provincial Liga President for her opening and welcoming remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a hand to Honorable Shusmita R. Halosvos.
Our ever Governor Rosemary Halosvos, Vice Governor Julius Manigit, Honorable Tony Butuan from the 3rd District, Provincial DLG Director, Dr. Mr. Oliver Tiongos, Provincial Administrator, Sir Wilbert Magallanes, to my fellow ABC Presidents, to my fellow Barangay Captains, good afternoon. May hapon atong tanan.
Ngapon sa...
May hapon! Wala kay